What is going on, everybody? I am going to make a quick video today and I'm going to show you how to install ADB drivers and the Google USB driver system wide on Windows 11. Okay. So you're going to have to visit a couple websites from Google. The first one being developer.android.com/studio. I'll put all these links in the description. So you're going to want to grab this, download the Google USB driver. Download that bad boy. It should be pretty fast. Go to your downloads and you're going to want to extract all. This should be a feature built into Windows 11. Go ahead and extract it to downloads or wherever you'd like it. In this case, that will be fine. All right, now that that is installed, you're going to want to open it up. At this point, you're going to want to plug in your phone to the computer. I'm using the Google Pixel 6a, but this should follow suit for all Pixel series devices. So I got the phone plugged up. And what I did was I pulled the status bar down and do that. It'll say charging this device via USB. Click on that. You're going to want to turn on the file transfer feature. Click on file transfer on the phone. My computer is already reading it because I have done this before, but it's okay. We can go ahead and do it again. You'll want to open up Device Manager. So open up Device Manager. And you should find an Android device. Oh, let's see. Where's it at? Not it. Is human interfaces, man? Funny, I don't see it. Portable devices. There it is. So right click on it, highlight it, right click it, update driver, and browse my computer for drivers. And then go to, excuse me. Go ahead and click that directory. Include subfolder. See how that's checked. And boom. I already had it installed. If you don't have it installed, it will install it. All right, next step. We got another link to go to. We got to download platform tools. We're on Windows. So grab the one for Windows. Accept their agreement. And download it. It's already done. Here it is. Go ahead and extract that now. And this is what you do. You press browse. You don't have to do it like this. You can put it anywhere you want, but this is where I like it. I go ahead and throw it on the root of my C drive. So boom, select folder and extract. And now it's on my C drive. As you can see, platform tools. Now this is where we need to add the drivers to the system. So we want to press the Windows key, open up the start menu, and you'll want to go to Advanced System Settings. Start typing in Advanced System Settings. It should pop up. Here it is. Open that up. Environment Variables. Click on that. System Variables. Add a new one. So new and variable name. You can name it whatever you want. Let's name it Platform Tools. And then you just want to go find your Platform Tools. And you remember we extracted it to the C drive right here. Boom. And it's really as easy as that. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Oops, Platform Tula. I gotta fix that because my OCD won't allow it. Right. Okay. Okay. And that it's really that easy. We just installed, ADB system wide. So I hope this video helps. You have a good day. Thank you.